Hello guys, let's talk today about these connectors that I got from Amazon. This is basically to use with my tankless water heater. So I have this blue one for cold water and the red one for hot water, okay? You can use any way you want, but I just like to use like that. This blue for cold and this red for hot. So basically I'm going to connect to my tankless hot water here. Is a 3/4 inch connector. And then I'm going to use this adapter here so I can connect to my copper tubes. And in this side, I use to this connector here. Okay, so basically I'm gonna put that away. Of course, I'm gonna use here the tape, okay, and put here like this. Pretty good. So go to the tube and the other side here, go to my tankless water heater. Okay, so basically on the cold side and the hot side. So it's pretty good. I've been using this for some installation and now I'm gonna use this for my tankless water heater, and it's pretty good and I recommend it.